From the window to the wall, we getting lit up in it, big bouncing. We does it big up in it, big bouncing.
What's up? We are back home, and we're trying to get as much done as we can before this next week. So I'm gonna show you the car, kind of like an after having it cleaned up, and then taking two kids and two adults, I guess, on a 18-hour one-way trip, and then some trips in between, going to like Phoenix and stuff. But I'm gonna show you like a before and after, or before the inside, and then I'll stand you up on the whole like maintaining a ceramic coating. So I'll stand you up for that. First, we gotta get the red truck pulled back in, get everything ready to start washing it. But I'll record the inside, what it looks like now, and then I'm just gonna do a vacuum and wipe down on everything and then get it washed. This is currently what we're looking like. We got beat up with bugs pretty good, but not too awfully bad. The wheels are pretty dirty again. We had some rain today on the way in from our drive, so I kind of let a lot of the dust and stuff roll off. Like you can see the little line right here where the dust ran off of there. But I think it held up pretty stinking good. We're gonna get the outside washed, and then the inside needs some attention. Especially after the kids have been in here. In person, it actually looks a lot worse than on video, but you can kind of see on there in the windshield and on those mirrors all the bug marks. And then there's some bird droppings there, so later on in the video you'll be able to tell just how much easier it is, like maintaining your vehicle after getting it coated. Yeah, that's what it's looking like. It's not too awfully bad. Whenever we were in Arizona, I did take it to the car wash once and just vacuumed it out and rinsed the mats off shortly after we got there. So that's the whole trip back, and then pretty much the entire week we were there. That's what, not too awfully bad for two kids, but I was gonna wash it there and make a video there because I thought we were gonna get back tomorrow, which would be Sunday, but we actually got back Saturday. Today's Saturday. We got back today right before noon, so it gives me plenty of time to get it washed and everything here, and just use everything I've got. But I'm gonna try to make it like, if you just bring like the bare essentials, or you go buy just the bare essentials to get your car washed at a car wash, I'm gonna try to make it like that. That's what I was kind of hoping to do, but we'll just do it here. We'll, like I brought everything with me to do a quick wash at the car wash, which I brought a couple wash mitts, 2 drying towels, and then a bag of towels. And I also just brought like my all-purpose cleaner, which is P&S Express Interior Cleaner, and I brought a bottle of glass cleaner. So, and you can use that interior cleaner on like spraying your bugs. But we went by Walmart, and I always browse the Walmart's detailing section because all of them are different around. I picked up a couple things I'm gonna try on this one, they were super cheap. Like there's a Meguiar's bug and tar remover and an aerosol can I'm gonna try on the front of this. Just gonna spray it on there and see if it just lets me rinse them off. But you can use that interior cleaner on your front end. You can use it on your tires and wheels if you want. So I'm just gonna make a video of using pretty much everything basic, other than I will use my foam cannon, which you can just act like the foam cannon is the the little tri-gloss or little foam cannon they have at the car washes. So I'll just do a really quick foam with it and then call it good. And another thing we bought just to have while we were there in Arizona, because we were going to wash this there, we bought this Suds Lab wheel and tire cleaner just for the wheels and tires. And I've used it before, and you can just kind of spray it on there and let it sit for a couple minutes, and then you can rinse it off really easily. And I do want to say sorry, I didn't realize it was going to get so dark so fast, so the video is kind of dark in some areas and doesn't look too bad in some others. And this is that Meguiar's bug and tar remover, so we're just spraying it on there, and I'm sure you can agitate it, but we have everything on the front end coated as well, so we're just going to spray it on there and let it sit for a couple of minutes while we rinse the car and the wheels and tires off, and all the bugs and everything should just come right off really easily. And with it being so dark right now in this spot, you can see how well everything's beading, like underneath that mirror. You can just see everything's just wanting to pretty much just fall off the paint. So that's a good thing on the coating. We had to use our windshield wipers, and it's still beading up and running off the windshield really well. We coated all the windows, all the trim, all the paint, so everything's holding up really good, so that's a good thing. That Meguiar's bug and tar remover worked really good, I think, for what it is. It's $4 or something a can. I used half a can. It worked pretty good, smelled awesome, but I don't think I'm going to switch over from what I currently use on an everyday basis compared to this. I don't think it would be right for the money, but if you're in a pinch and you need something, I would recommend it. We're just foaming it up here, and we're going to let it sit for a couple of minutes and then do a contact wash on everything. Really, if your car isn't that bad, like you've just been kind of driving it here and there, sometimes you can get away with using like a good cleaning soap and just letting it sit and rinsing it off, and then when you dry it, spray like like an Optimum no rinse or something on the vehicle as you dry it to do any extra cleaning. Alright, well, we got it all washed and dried off. Sorry it got so dark so quick, but I guess that's this time of year. Right now anyways, but we're about to, tomorrow I think it is, we're actually going to have the time change or whatever. So we got that done. That might just be it for this video. And if so, thanks for watching, and I'll be back in a week.